Hi, good morning. My name is Nand Kishore. I come from New Delhi. I work with the organization called International Committee of the Red Cross as an HR officer. I think I've met with my aspiration before when I tried to think of enrolling with XLRI. It was really very enriching experience for me, and I think all my expectations have been met. Since I come from a humanitarian sector, it gives me a diverse, exposure to different industries also. So I think I will be able to take my decision holistically in future, and I think it has boosted my leadership capacities. The highlight was learning from various industries colleagues who have their own experiences. Generally, you don't get to expose to those information which they carry due to their long experience.